Hey guys, Adam the Horror Guy. New video. I know I've been away for a while, been a bit sick, but I'm back with this video for today. Pretty Woman. Leatherface. This is the NECA 50th anniversary action figure. The front of the box is really cool. The design, the NECA designed this box. Look at who will survive and what will be left of them. It's from the movie. There we go. Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Great movie. If you guys haven't watched it, go watch it. It's so good. That's the front of the box. That's the side. That's the other side. The back looks pretty good. Just look at the graphics there. It looks so good. Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Leatherface is one of my second favourite horror character of all time. Now time to show you guys inside the box. There's inside the window box. There he is there, what he looks like. Kicks ass in the horror realm. He's one of the greatest characters of all time besides Michael Myers. Leatherface just kicks ass. There it is inside the box. You guys probably can't see that. It's too much light in my room. I'll take it out. It comes with some cool accessories. So here he is out of the box. Oh, it's quick. Very quick. Now he's already out of the box. I got two of him. Action figures like this, like the rare ones like this, 50th anniversary Texas Chainsaw stuff, like I will buy two of it if I can. One in the box, and I got one on display in my cabinet. Well, there he is there. Just look at his mask. Just look at the detail. Look at these. The lipstick, the makeup, the tie, the chainsaw, covered in blood. A little bit. His suit. So you got these cowboy boots on. See, cowboy boots. He's got his navy blue suit on. His hair. It's joined to the mask of the woman that he butchered, and he's wearing her face. There you go. It looks so cool. Comes with this vest. I don't know why NECA made this. I don't know. This rubber vest. I don't know why they made that. Because he's already wearing a suit jacket. Yeah, I'm not too sure about that one. I'll show you the accessories that you get with this guy. You get a plate of sausages and beef. A little bit of food there for Pretty Woman. So you get that. You get the armadillo. Now the armadillo was in the start of the movie, dead on the side of the road. As the van drove past, this was on the road, dead. So you get this cool armadillo which is pretty cool. You get 2 extra hands. Pretty Woman. And this one, I've already took these out and put his chainsaw in his hands. Other weapons you get is this knife. This cool knife. Pretty Woman uses a meat cleaver. It's cool little meat cleaver. And you get, of course, his trademark handheld sledgehammer. I call it the sledge. This is the one where he hits, when he's Leatherface, when he's him, he hits Kirk in the head with this, in the doorway of his house, the Sawyer house. There's the sledge. Replica. Pretty cool accessories. I just love Leatherface, you know. There he's there. Pretty cool. Stand him up. There we go. Oh, he can stand up pretty good. Some NECA action figures, they can't stand up by themselves. You might need a stand or something, but for as heavy as this one is, he stands pretty good. He stands pretty good. I just love how he's wearing that bracelet. He's wearing Pam's bracelet he took off her when he killed her. He's wearing that bracelet. This is just like, to me, this is like straight out of the movie. This is so realistic. Probably the best Pretty Woman action figure I've ever seen. I like how his jacket's like open, because when he's in the movie, at the end of the movie, he's running. The hitchhiker, his brother, is in front of him, but he's a Pretty Woman. He's running down the road to kill Sally, and his jacket's flapping open. His tie is moving around. This is one of the best action figures that I own in my whole collection. So if you guys want to like my video on YouTube and Instagram, and follow me on Instagram, Adam the Horror Guy, and go to YouTube and help a brother out, subscribe to my channel. As I promise you, there'll be more horror videos to come. I love horror. It's my favourite genre. Love it so much. Even his hair looks it's just so cool. The mask on this is so cool. For an action figure, it's just sick. I'll give it 10 out of 10. It looks like Gunnar Hansen as Leatherface. It just looks like straight out of like I said, the picture, the movie. Replica chainsaw. So cool, man. So cool. Love Leatherface. One last look at Leatherface. There we go. I'm going to put him back in my glass case cabinet I've got in my lounge room. These cowboy boots. I don't know how he ran in those cowboy boots in the movie down the street in a hot summer's day in Texas. And when Gunnar Hansen fell over, he burnt his leg with the chainsaw as well. So he paid his dues in that movie for Tobe Hooper, the director. There he is. Okay, look at that saw, look at that. Zzz. So noisy in the movie when he pulls out that saw for the first time. He's chasing Sally. At night time, it's so scary, that movie, so creepy. So terrifying. There's a face on him, mother will love. That's it for that. Leatherface. Pretty Woman action figure. Let's look at the box. I like the colour of the box, like a yellow colour. It's so cool. And there it is there. 50th anniversary. 50 years of the movie. Tobe Hooper's classic, The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Right, guys. Enough of me talking. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There's my poster there. Wes Craven's Nightmare on Elm Street, one of my other favourite movies. My favourite movie is John Carpenter's Halloween. This shirt is a Terror Threads original. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Bye.